So, let me say something that might really annoy a few people today. If you're in the diaspora and, yeah, say you're planning your retirement, you really need to stop saying this. And this is something that a lot of people say. I will just move back home. Everything will be cheaper. Okay, now, my people, before you all get defensive, just pause this video for 1 second and tell me in the comments. Have you ever said this, or have you, like I have, heard some people say it over and over again? Be honest, because that one single sentence has caused more stress, more disappointment, and more regret than lots of people realize. So, hi, my people, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is IJ, and on this channel, we have really honest conversations about retirement, about relocation, property, pensions, and lifestyle, especially for Africans in the diaspora who are all planning their next chapter. And just quickly, if this is the kind of realistic, no sugarcoating conversations that you've been looking for, do go ahead and subscribe now because I think you'll feel really at home on this channel. So now let's get into things properly. The first thing we need to stop saying is everything will be cheaper back home. Yes, some things will definitely be cheaper, but let me ask you, and I really want people to answer this honestly in your own head, of course. What about private healthcare? What about when you need emergency treatment? What about electricity when there's irregular power supply? What about the cost of generator, diesel, inverters, maintenance? What about estate service charges? What about imported medication? These costs don't feel cheap when they hit you every single month in retirement. And here's the key point. What I've found is that people don't struggle because they are broke. They actually struggle because they misjudge their lifestyle costs. So, a quick question for you as you're watching. Which costs worry you the most about retiring back home in Africa? Is it healthcare? Is it power? Or is it security? Just drop one of those words in the comment section. The second thing people say quite often is, my pension won't matter once I move back. That statement in itself is really dangerous because your pension is not just money that you have, it is independence. Your pension will determine how long you can stay in a place, whether you can move from there, and whether you can say no to certain lifestyle options. When retirees have no reliable income, pressure begins to creep in really quietly, and that pressure can change relationships. Then there's a big one. My family will take care of things for me. So let me say this with love, my people. Family is important, but family is not a retirement plan. Everyone has bills, everyone has stress, everyone has limits. Planning your retirement properly protects those relationships with your family. Again, and here's the part people don't talk about a lot. When you return back home after decades abroad, you have changed, expectations have changed, and home just feels a little bit different. So if your plan is based on nostalgia, the reality on ground will often shock you. However, I always say to people, if your plan is based on strategy, you will settle in beautifully. Now, if this video is making you a bit uncomfortable, that's good, I think. It means that you are thinking hard. So, what I'm saying is let's change the language. Instead of saying, I will just move back, it will be cheaper. Say to yourself, I am designing a retirement that works financially, emotionally, and importantly, medically. So, to end, I want us to have more conversations like this, the kind people who don't usually have openly. So, if that's what you're interested in, subscribe and stay with me on this channel. Also, I'd like to really hear from you. Where are you currently living and where are you considering retiring to? So, basically, from which country are you going to and where do you want to retire to? Drop it in the comment section, and it'll be good to see how many of us are actually on the same journey. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you as usual in the next video.